What is up YouTube, this is F34RCH405 here, and today I'm going to be showing you loads of ringtones and you guys are going to tell me which one I should have. So, in the comments down below. I'm going to have to make this video quick because I've got a low battery. Look up there, I've got 3%. So, let's go. Forgot what to do. Cool, ringtone. Right, so do I have this one?
Wiggle, wiggle. Like.
Or do I have this one?
Go.
Do I have this one?
Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your soul. Ring, 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 someone call. Get your soul. Ring-a-ling, they keep on calling it a call, and don't you leave it ringing, ring-a-ling, ring, 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 ring-a-ling.
Or do I have this one? Or do I have this one? Or do I have this one? Or this one? Do I just have this going on for ages?
Breakfast.
Do I just have that going on for ages? So it just be like breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. This is what it'd be like.
Breakfast, 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 breakfast.
Be like that for ages. Or do I have this one?
And his name is John C.
Or do I have this one? So guys, sorry about that. So guys, I'm wanting you to put in the comments below what you want my ringtone to be. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, peace.